Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our HCA employees account. So let's get started. So to log into your HCA employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you can search for login HCA employee account. After searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can just tap on this first one which says HCA login. And by tapping on that, you will direct it to this page where you can just enter your username and password, which you can find in the right side of your screen. So now in order to log into your account, you just enter your username and password, and after entering your username and password, just tap on login. So just tap on login. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot my username or forgot my password. So you can select any one of these options according to your problem. So if you have forgotten your username, what you can do is just tap on this first option which says username, or if you have forgotten your password, you can just select the second one which says forgot password. So just select one of these options and then reset or recover your password by creating a new one. And after doing that, just come back to this login page and just enter the new username or password that you have created, then tap on login. Or you can also create an account by tapping on register if you don't have one. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your HCA employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.